Once you log into your Wealthsimple account with your email ID and password, come here, you see this, click here and then click on this settings icon. Here is automation. You see here, stock lending. Let me click here. You can see here, these radio buttons are on and it shows green. That means for me, it's right now active. And because of this, there are some passive earning which comes, which let me show you. Once, if I switch this off, you will stop earning monthly passive income for TFSA account. Just a heads up, it may take up to 5 business days to recall any stocks on loan depending on market condition. So basically, whatever investment I have, that gets loaned, and on that, the earning automatically shows up. Let me close this here. So that keeps adding. If you go to view detail, I'm not going in there. It will show which all stocks have been lent and what is the earning on that. So this is one which might be of interest to you. I've covered entire automation except options, which I'm sure you'll figure out if you have been so far following how this entire automation works. I hope you found this video useful. Do watch other videos related to personal finance where I have given detailed explanation which you might find it useful. And thanks for watching.